You're watching how Leap lets reset your App Store balance to zero. You cannot manually reset or delete a balance. The balance is used automatically for future purchases, subscriptions, and in-app payments until it reaches zero. To use it up, make a purchase, buy an app, a movie, a book, or an in-app item that costs at least your remaining balance. The cost will be deducted from your balance first. If the item costs more than your balance, the remainder will be charged to your payment method. Your balance will then show as zero. If you have a very small balance, like a few cents, you may need to contact Apple support to see if they can clear it, but this is not guaranteed. There is no direct setting to erase or gift a balance. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.